Okay guys, I just wanted to go over a few add-ons that I did and added to this kit. So let's start with a main unit. This is as is, haven't made any changes to it. It's got two positions, one to make colloidal water. To this side, here's the switch, and if you switch it to the right, you can do micropulsing. Here's power in and your output. This is the wire you use to connect either electrodes. These are the electrodes, and you'll get 10 pairs of electrodes, or alligator clips here for your colloidal water. You'll also get 6-inch 1.6 millimeter 99.99% purity silver electrodes to make colloidal water. You will get a plate, and that's how this assembles. Here I just want to have it assembled so you can see 30 volt 0.3 amp power supply. Also, this is a strap for the hand, so once you applied your electrodes, you can strap it and hold them together. These electrodes do have a sticky glue on the back, so when you do apply, they don't fall off, as you can see. And by the way, you're gonna need to cut some of it off. You see how much these ones on the left on my hand shorter than the original ones. Originally they come 7 centimeters, and you're gonna need to cut off like 1/3 from the end of it to make it. So they are reusable. Once you're done with your session, you just take them off and wash it with the water, and I apply back to the clear tape that they originally come on. So that's there. So in this new add-ons, I added ppm meter. With this meter, you will be able to precisely measure your concentration of silver ions in the water once you make colloidal water. And for example, this batch took me 70 minutes in a room temperature. I started with distilled water and end up with 15 parts per million of concentration of colloidal water in here. So if I put my meter in here, you guys can see it's got 15 ppm. That's about what you should try to shoot for. You can go all the way to 20 ppm. 15 is good enough for me, and that's what I'm targeting. As you make your colloidal water, about in the middle of about 30 minutes into the making, 40 minutes into making the water, you would want to pull it out and use wipe the oxidized silver off the electrodes. So the positive electrode, which is the red one, will deposit silver ions onto the negative one, and so one will not be oxidizing, the other one will oxidize. So you would wipe off all the oxidation, and some of it will fall down to the floor, to the bottom. And so when you use this water, you can just discard whatever silver particles that didn't get dissolved, fell down, and oxidized ones on the bottom of the jar, and just don't use those, or you can filter it. That's one of the ways. So you will get the plate, you will get this attachment, alligator clips for electrodes and electrodes themselves. Let's see, also you will get a case. This is a carry case, which you can put everything in there. With the laser pointer, what you can do is, this is like another confirmation to confirm your dissolved solids. So if you shine your light, you will see a beam going across, as you can see there. When you make a concentration silver ions in there, you can see the beam. In a clear water, there is not going to be no beam. All right, So this kit I am gonna be offering from my website bbmpulsar.org. You can contact me. I will leave the contact information down below this video. I will try to offer it at $99 price range. Similar units you can, for example, SOTA makes. It's got the battery powered, but the price for it is around $350. So with this kit you can save money and get pretty much the same results what you would get from SOTA, for example, MP7 model. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you another thing that you would want to do, like in the middle of the set, in the middle of making colloidal water, around 40 minutes into the making it, just wipe your electrodes and stir the water. Make sure your spoon is clean, and I would wash it in distilled water, rinse it in distilled water, so you don't deposit anything from the spoon into your water. Alright guys, that's about it. I just wanted to show you these add-ons that I did for the kit and get your opinion. You can leave your comments down below. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next one.